Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Robinhood for recurring buys easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, locate the search bar at the top. Type in the name or symbol of the stock you want to invest in. Select the stock from the search results to navigate to its detail page. On the stock detail page, look for the Buy button. Tap on the Buy button to open the purchase menu. Next, enter the amount you wish to invest. Select order types, then choose recurring buys from the options. Decide on the frequency of your recurring buys, such as weekly or monthly. Choose the day of the week or specific date you prefer for the purchases. Review the details of your recurring buy. Make sure everything looks correct before finalizing. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Review button. Confirm your order by selecting Submit. You will receive a confirmation that your recurring buy is set up. Your recurring buys will now be executed automatically based on your preferences. You can always revisit the stock detail page to adjust your settings if needed. That's it. You've successfully set up recurring buys with Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.